Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer, and this is the Ducan puzzle, invented by Volker Latysek. Ducan has 7 of these duck-shaped pieces, and actually the duck-shaped pieces are the same as the duck soup puzzle by Guy Lowell and David Goodman. So the object is to get all the ducks into the puzzle, and actually I'm now trying to get them out, which is already requires some dexterity. Let's see. And there we are. It's actually 7 pieces. So yeah, here we have 7 ducks, and the object of the puzzle is to get all the ducks into this 3x3x3 box with this 2x2x2 hole. And as a big surprise to both myself and Volker, the puzzle has a unique solution. Again, there are quite a few ways that you can fit 7 of these duck-shaped pieces into the cube, but only one of those can be actually taken apart and put together. So yeah, an interesting puzzle, and quite challenging, quite a lot of planning to get everything in. My question to you is about the name of the puzzle. It's called Ducan. And I don't know why it's named that way. Volker gave it its name. So why was this puzzle named this way? Thank you for watching.